What's up guys, today I'm going to show you a little bit of PC tutorial. So today's topic is how to use PDF files like a pro. I have this PDF file right here. So the software I'm using is called Foxit Reader, and if you do not have it, download it from the internet. It's free. So after downloading it, open any document you might want to read. So as you see, you might have this sort of setup. So remove it from here by clicking on this, and you can go into the full screen mode, and after that just hold control and scroll the mouse wheel, and you can zoom as much as you want. And I think so this is quite comfortable, and you can also highlight or do any other stuff that you could do without the full screen. And I'm going to highlight this. So this is a really interesting setup you might want to have while you are reading long books like I am doing these days. So I hope you found this 1-minute tutorial helpful, and you tell me in the comments if you want to see more short tutorials like this, and I will try to respond to each of that. That's it. I'm signing off.